Another day at school. Time to head home. Let's see. Backpack secured, helmet clipped, ready to go. Hey, remember what we learned in the road safety session? Keep those hands steady on the bars. The road is busy today. Whoa! Keep both hands on, friend. If you hit a pothole or a pebble now, you'll lose balance instantly. Having both hands here gives you full control to react to anything, like that bump or if a person or car suddenly slows down. That was close. If you are riding one-handed or no hands, you never would have reacted that fast. Control is everything. My bike, my control. Always keep your hands on the bars.